If you love to write or you know how to write, but you have not started making money with your skill, I have this great opportunity for you guys where you can showcase your skills and get paid. So you can become a freelancer. I know that it is difficult to find legit websites where you can register and start earning money. Don't worry, I have found a couple of them for you guys today, and I'm going to share them with you. Even if you don't know how to write or your skill is not that sophisticated, you want to improve on your skill, there's also a free platform that you can go to and take free courses and perfect your skills, and then they will give you a certificate that you can then use and apply to these other websites where you can now be hired to start working, start writing, and start earning money. So if today is your first time coming here, don't forget to support the family by subscribing to the channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Like the video, leave a comment, engage in the comment section, and share the video. So now, the first website we are going to actually look at is called HubSpot. It's hubspot.com. This particular website is where you will go and get free courses. They have so many free courses available, free of charge. You're not going to pay a dime to take these courses, but the thing is that you must complete the course before you get your certificate. So take for instance, this one is from Daniel Pink business writing course, and if you open it, it shows you the sign up page. You're going to sign up to access this course, but it is 100% free. Like I said, no credit card needed. Just sign in with your Google account or Microsoft or your Apple account. You can also sign in with your email address and then start the course. So you're going to take 4 lessons, 12 videos included, 1 hour 42 minutes. So you're going to finish this course before you get a certificate. Then that certificate will be used. So if you go here, you can see certification. It says earn certifications to validate your knowledge and expertise. So if you have the knowledge but you don't have a certificate, it means nothing to them. You need to actually have a certificate. Even if you have the knowledge to write these things, you're a content writer, you're a freelance writer, but you don't have a certificate, it's not going to help you to get a job out there. So you need to certify yourself by taking these courses and then getting your certification. Once you get that certificate, you then use it to move over to the first one that we're going to look at, which is TextRoyal. So TextRoyal.com, they take people because they specialize in, you can say we're a passionate team that is always ready to deliver. During years of experience, we mastered the writing process. So people come to textroyal.com, they sign up for any type of content that they want people to write about. So they will come here. If it is for SEO content, articles, academic writing, blog posts, social media, press releases, web content, product description, custom content. So they will pay TextRoyal, and TextRoyal will then pay you to write these articles. And then after you finish writing, you will get paid. But you need to note that you have to write this on your own, from your head. You're not going to go and copy from ChatGPT, because they actually check for plagiarism. So if you copy and paste, it's not going to help you. You need to be able to write something that will not come back and become a waste of time for you. I know that ChatGPT is out there, and a lot of people go there to copy and paste things. And you can tell me that, I know you're going to obviously tell me that, why don't those companies use ChatGPT? They don't need ChatGPT. They need 100% human to write these articles for them. Okay, so this is for it on this one, textroyal.com. Go there, click on sign up, and then begin to earn from them. The second one is contently.net. Contently.net, they are currently hiring. They're hiring content advisors. They're looking for skilled dermatology and skincare writers, specialized health writers, experienced dental and oral health writers, dermatology and skincare managing editors. They're looking for so many things. They're looking for freelance SEO specialists, experienced automotive writers, stability as a freelancer. They're looking for so many content writers, so many writers, so many freelancers. So what you're going to do is, when you come to contently.net, you're going to have to sign up. It says freelance with Contently. You sign up After you sign up, you begin to choose your gigs depending on your area of specialty. And once it's approved, you begin to earn money. So for this one, he says you can read what they need from you. They're going to tell you what you need. And he says our platform allows clients to pay you instantly upon submission. In other words, no waiting around for a check or bothering with invoices. There is no obligation to accept assignments before getting started. Our clients, you will be fully trained on our platform. So you will be fully trained. If you're interested, this is how to apply. Register. You've registered, like, let's assume you've registered. So you come here, you create your portfolio, and it says only those with updated portfolio will be considered, and your portfolio will remain private until vetted. They will vet it. You fill out this form with your relevant experience, areas of expertise. Like I said, get the certificate from HubSpot so that you can then use it to apply. It is very important for them. You must be qualified before you take up these jobs. So you don't have any business with their clients. It is them that will pay you. And the third one is Blogging Pro. It's the same. People post jobs here. You can see post a job for $1, but you're going to browse a job. You're not going to post. You browse a job. You can see the jobs available. This one was posted 14 hours ago, looking for bloggers to write about our music licensing company. So people come here, they pay, and you will write whatever they're looking for. You will write it. This one is paying $150 for 2,500 word motorsport articles. So after writing, this particular company, bloggingpro.com, will pay you because they've already paid them to contract you. So you sign up and create a profile, an eye-catchy profile that would put you out there for them to actually pick you. And the next one is WriterBay. It's called WriterBay.com. So WriterBay.com makes all the payment wise per month. Every 1st, 5th, and the 6th to 20th. Okay, 1st to 5th and 16th to 20th of every month. The funds withdrawal takes place once by payout on the 1st and the 16th of the month. The detailed procedure of the funds withdrawals as well as funds transfer is available on Writer's personal profile payment statistics page. So in order to be included into the payment period, Writer's account must have payment details submitted in advance. Payment option details should be provided at least 4 days prior to the beginning of the payment period. If the writer chooses to stop working for WriterBay.com, the outstanding balance will be released to the writer. After the termination of account, writers are not allowed to change the payment details that were submitted earlier. So the payment option for this one is Web Money, 5% commission if you choose this payment option. Pioneer, 2 payment options are supported by this payment system: Global Bank Transfer and Pioneer Prepaid MasterCard, 0% commission. In order to select one of them, you need to log into your WriterBay account and open payment statistics section and submit preferred payment method. So average payment rate for advanced is $1,402 per month, and for regular is $1,275. Pro Lite is $1,600 and Pro is $2,000. Days worked per month depends and all. So you choose how many days you want to work, and you will always see the rate before you apply. There's also a referral program. If you like to do that one, you can do this referral program. It says log into your personal account, open the bonuses section and scroll down to referral program, copy the application link with a unique code, promote your services to your friends and encourage them to register. Get 3% of each order completed by your referrals. You earn money if you refer people. If you refer people that will buy the people that would pay for services actually, and not people that wants to work. If you refer people that will pay for services, you get paid. That is how this one works. So if you're looking for writing job, come and register. Register here. You can read the tutorial and there's a short quiz that you're supposed to take for this one. It says look through a short tutorial which consists of 4 parts and is aimed to help you get acquainted with the field of academic writing. Each part ends with a short quiz of 3 to 5 questions. Upload your essay, diploma and CV. Write a plagiarism and AI-free sample essay on the given topic. Upload a photo of your higher education certificate as well as your CV. Upon your desire, you may Also add some samples of your previous works to show. Once you complete the step, your application will be sent for review. We will then get back to you. The review may take 2 days to 2 weeks. So when a customer orders an academic writing, we need to find the writer to complete it. It could be you. Upload the work. As soon as the work is finished, you need to upload it into your personal account as well as mark it as final. Then get paid for your work. We offer you a competitive salary and good profit. With us, you can get a $20 per page and earn part-time or even full-time income. Please know that you get paid twice per month. Okay, so you earn $20 per page for this one. And the next one is, or the last one, which is the 5th one, is called urbanwriters.com. And this is their interface. It says, take your freelancing business to the next level by joining the Urban Writers platform. So just click on the apply button and then you apply. And it says the Urban Writers is not just a platform, it's a transformative solution designed to meet the unique needs of freelancers like you. So it brings together everything you need to take control of their freelancing career. So if you want to take advantage of your freelancing career in writing, come and sign up. So this one is a writer. So I've been an Urbanite not that long, but I've got so much to say about it. This one is a writer. This person is an editor. This person is also a writer. So you come here and then sign up. They said they have over 20,000 satisfied customers, over 1 billion words written and edited by our amazing freelancers, over 5,000 plus exceptional content creators to choose from. So you're going to come here and set up your account. Watch this video if you want more clarity. So if you already have an account, you simply log into the platform where you can either post a new project or manage existing ones. If you do not have an account yet, you can quickly sign up, post your next project. Whether you're looking for writing, editing, custom design work, or an all-in-one bundle, they have all you need. So they will connect you with the right people. We make it easy to connect with the right freelancers for every job. From the platform dashboard, you're able to search, review profile, and send direct messages. So whenever after you create a profile, people can then check out your profile and send you direct message if they like your profile and if they want you to complete the job, like you can see in this illustration video. So once you finish, you can then download your finished product. Log into your platform account or click the link we send by email and download your content from the platform dashboard. You're ready to confidently publish and share your complete content. This is how you're going to upload it, and then the person that paid you for it will then download it. So people can chat directly with you as a writer. You can also chat directly with them. If you want to talk to you can talk to their chat box here and get more clarity on this particular website. It's called the urbanwriters.com. So if you're interested, they are taking over 150 plus new freelancers per month. I assume this is in thousands. So you click on the apply button, then it brings you here. Choose your freelancer position. If you're looking to work as a translator, editor, translation writer, editor, cover designer, illustrator, narrator, just click on the position you're looking for and complete your profile. Once your profile is complete, you start getting a job. So like I said, even if you're not experienced and you want to do this, go to hubspot.com, sign up for the free courses. There are also a lot of free courses on YouTube that you can take advantage of, okay, to equip yourself, to improve yourself. In this 2025, there are a lot of skills that you need to learn. It's not just about 9-to-5 job. There are lots of skills that you need to learn to help yourself, to make extra money in this 2025. So I hope you go check them out, guys. I hope you pick out 1 or 2 of them and sign up, or even sign up on all of them. And thank you so much if you have watched the video till this minute. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment, subscribe, share the video. I always say that most of these websites or these apps that we share on YouTube will not get you rich, but this particular one, as a freelancer, writer, or editor, will get you rich. Because if you're making $1,000 a month from Nigeria, for instance, do the math, you know how much it is. So I hope you take this advantage and do something good out of it. I'll see you guys in the next one.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.